on, Lava.
Fully there, go away.
And then at the end of the studio, you upload a new song, yeah. You know the new video, isn't it?
Long time I see you, yeah, right, though.
Lava, you know the vibes, right? Yeah, you know the vibes, you know the gang. Come on, Lava, you know the vibes.
You stop misbehaving, though. Because one day you misbehave, you know. I'm going to cuss you out, you know. Yeah, going, yeah, right there. You stop misbehave. You stop misbehave now.
Stop misbehave. Stop misbehave.
All right, then. I like that. There, you stop it. And then the ears, you know, music thing. You got the music thing pan up on a different level. And I say, okay, that's good and rare and playable. Two pop up in the rascal all over the media. Boop.
Yeah, you know the
money controversy and funny and all kind of stuff. But listen to them ever say, listen now, Varney is a part of Chat and Laugh. Right? So, we know Varney, she's not innocent. Right? But it's not every little thing what people have said and call to me and say about Varney, I go believe.
Yeah.
Because, remember this, you know, it's when people brand you as a bad person, when people brand as a bad person, you have to know the thing in a fully. When people brand as a bad person, bad thing them hear, hold on. Whenever bad thing them hear, they are going to skip on you right away.
You know it, girl. What is I don't want them time.
No, I'm not saying that to you. You understand me? Right. So, you have Varney coming some farmer contract, some promotion, and Varney rob you $600 and all kind of stuff.
You know, rob me $600. Try for rob me $600. Get it right. We don't rob for nobody and complain for nobody. I talk about what is truth and what is right. And I do them thing there. All of the gang shit. You see me?
Right.
Yeah.
Also, should I try? Hold on. Should I try rob you $600?
Yeah, no, turn them down. I'm telling Lava what go on. You know I say, Lava, you know say, Varney, I don't know that Varney from now. I know Varney through this thing here. I do my competition last year for my competition with him and the gang, right? So after I link Mackerel and pay Mackerel for do an ad for me and pay people start running for do my competition. So Varney is one of them people, you see me? So Varney running, I know. So Varney come in from the competition and everything. Chin Power end up winning the competition there and Varney come second. You understand where I come from? I come from no. So you know I say, why do you keep a competition from a competition named Ice? So through me know I link her and say, yo, do some promo ad for me. So it's the second time now I money transaction with her. You understand? I said I must change whatever they get for the promotion. You see me? So I send out the money now. That passed and gone. But they are LA now the other day. Varney called me and say, yo, Fully, you can't accept some money from me through Zelle. I'm say, yeah, why not? Because she always pick up a thing when I ask her or whatever the case may be. You see me? So I say, yeah. So she send me the money through Zelle, whoever she make send it. So them send me the money through Zelle, the money gets sent, then my Western Union all the money. You get me I come from? Right out here, in $600. So guess what going now? Later on in the night now, me I go use the bathroom. I'm going to check my bank account. My bank account say 800 grand negative. You get me I come from? So I say, what the fuck is this? Some end up calling my bank. I'm going to call my bank. The bank tell me say it's an error code. Then put my account, make a note say, yo, a fraud has been reported. You understand where I come from? You see me? You know, one time, so now me say, so I ask them, where is this coming from? They say, the person who sent you the $600 report as fraud. You understand where I come from? So right away, I call Varney, she go on like she don't want to hear me. I go on like she a idiot, one bag of things. So what's the going on? I do know, I check on the Western Union money when I send. And then I go and cancel that send, I send that they refund the money back to my account. You understand where I come from? Yeah. And that go on. So after them refund the money back to my account now, Bank of America send back the money to the person who send the money because them report as fraud. You understand where I come from?
Yeah.
That go on. You understand where I come from? So what I mean is why even in between the whole of that, me I beg Varney say, yo, please unfreeze my account. Me even send the 6 bills right now from my manager. See my right, so my manager send all these bills to her name. But you should do too much scamming. The name we send it to Western Union, cancel the fucking money and send it back to it. You understand me? I come from?
Okay, yeah.
Make it know, sir. Me never try to scam Barney. Me have too much bumbuckler money right now. Me used to broke back then, but right now, me have too much bumbuckler money. So I suck on the mother. Me not
I got me a talk about.
I'm telling nigga. Me rich right now. Whole lot of gang shit on my shit, nigga. Yeah, me don't need a bumbuckler 600. Him produce Ashanti, baby, baby, and what's love got to do? And him I produce all of my bumbuckler beat them. Me have one bag of money behind me. Cause suck him out of $600. Him account, but just do want my account and freeze. You get me? I come from.
One of the fully. So, them time we know you up in a few years ago, them time you the broke. Now you're rich, blood clad.
Broke like dog. Broke like dog. Broke. Never buy them chain yet. Never buy yet. Never buy them chain yet.
What you talking about? It's lava place.
Pussy clear.
I'm telling nigga, me no broke no more.
Right.
Nigga, me no broke no more.
Right.
Yeah.
So she end up and get the money then.
Pass me the buckle, don't know you. You know say, the way me no broke no more, me no want to go to the store, I post me, it's my order this from. You see me? I send it in the my brother come bring it to me from Postmates. We don't want to go outside no more. Is it? Yeah. We not broke no more. We don't broke anymore. Yeah.
Anymore.
Shit.
So me I said no fully. So she end up and get no money then.
No, I don't know how it turned out for she, but how I know it turned out for me, the person who send the money, get it back, and my account gets unfreeze. You understand me?
Yeah.
That I don't really care about. I never care about nothing else but that part there. You understand me?
So you're not talk back after that? You wait after you try to get in touch with her?
You see me, I never need to talk back to her. She fuck up, like me the rate time, brother. Me the rate time, like it's a girl, me that say, yo, me do this for her, send her, look up. No, me rate time, brother. But after she feel like say, yo, she just take advantage of me. You understand me? I come from, cause it's a favor me that try to do you. Cause you call me, that LA, listen, Lava, as the money reach my account, I send out the money through Western Union.
Right away.
I'm gonna forget about it. Later on in the night, I check my bank account and it say negative 800,000. And then I do the research and details and them tell me where I go on. You understand where I come from? Yeah. Big woman thing. I'm a call her down and she said when I live in the morning, I call her down and I tell her be a bumbuckler. I tell her pussy girl. Free my bumbuckler account and I come for you little girl. Yeah. Ask her about it and I lie me I tell.
Star.
Because she gets serious. Yeah, and I lie me I tell me.